Now, the year was 1999. Michael Sharpe took on perhaps the most important assignment yet as head of news at TVJ. That, however, did not stop him from hitting the streets in search of news. And he had a team. They called themselves the Men in Black. Here they are, the Men in Black. Not dressed in black suits like the movies, but there was once a time they roamed the streets at night in search of the next big news story. The leader of the pack, Michael Sharpe.
I think Michael is one of the greatest journalists I live to work with. This is a man who takes chance in life. And not care much gunshot or fire down the road. Him saying up here, come here, hit the road. And trust me, that's it. So even television is about seeing is believing, you know. And Michael always believes that seeing is believing, so you have to shoot it so the people can believe it.
And Michael Sharpe asked me, what is it that I want to do? And I said, I want to be one of the best camera operators coming out of Jamaica. And I remember there were a lot of tough times because I wasn't employed to TVJ at the time. And Michael Sharpe saying that the only way that we can conquer them is by excellence, by always making sure that we put our best foot forward. Punctuality. There were a lot of things that he instilled in us as a group.
Under his tutelage, the TVJ newsroom would become an institution for learning and development in media.
He said to myself and Kirkwright, I want you guys to be the presenters of News at 10. Well, he wanted to do some training, and we decided to hide from Sharpe as soon as the 7 o'clock news was finished. We decided to find a way to try to hide from him. And one night he was waiting at the gate and he says, Mr. Barnaby, you're given this opportunity. Don't turn it down.
He brought me into the world of journalism because I studied civil engineering. And I remember when I got tired of that, I made a call to Michael Sharpe. And I said to him, boy, I want to become a journalist, you know. And he said, what you can do? Him say, have any experience? I said, no. Him said, come and interview you. Went, did interview. And this part is profound. And Michael Sharpe said to me, I'm only going to interview you because of your attitude. And I thought to myself, I only want one day at TVJ, you know. And that was from 2002. And here I am today.
Carrie-Ann Lee also joined the news team after university.
Went with me to Parliament and taught me about parliamentary procedure, role of the Speaker, how to cover it. He taught me how to cover a crime scene.
Of the group, his best friend, Kevin Savage, would be the last to have seen Michael Sharpe alive. He recounted the moments leading to Sharpe's hospitalization.
He started to say, this is it. And I have to curse him and I lift him up because no COVID couldn't stop me from my friend. So I lift him up and I put him in the vehicle and I rushed him. And never knew that would have been the last drive I would have made with my friend.
Michael's next assignment was to head JNN. As news of his death sunk in, it was almost impossible for the staff to concentrate. In his office, his belongings still remain. For many of us, it is hard to imagine that he won't be coming back.